Hi, my name is Roxane Webster. I'm with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage, and I'm not only a real estate agent, I'm also a real estate planner. I know I find myself asking if I've got enough put aside to sustain the lifestyle that I want to have once I am no longer able to work or willing to work. This is an important question, and I decided a while ago that it's not one that I can answer on my own. I need to be talking to people who know more about taxes and financial planning, and rather than just continuing to save money, actually making sure that I'm doing that in a way that really maximizes the output of it. As your real estate planner, I have access to the people who can help you with that planning. I'd love to speak with you about it.